Rick can get his vehicle off the track. So we're going to move over to from cars to trucks here at the Speedway. So we've got a total of 8 trucks in this one tonight, and it should be a dandy of a race. Let's roll through how these cars will line up as we get ready to go here racing at Red River Co-op Speedway. Starting off on the pole, driving the 04, that is Wayne Grosky. Staggered a little bit, right behind him a little bit. You can't quite see him, but that is Ginger, his truck, driving the 73P on the outside of row 1. That's Rennie Paluco. Row 2 has the 5K of Bill Klim, and on his outside, driving the 18, that's Dustin Enns. Row 3 has the 2 of Jamie Vernos and the 46 of Kevin Groenheid. Row 4 will have the 67 of Mark Zondag and the number 13 of Ryan Hambleton. Bit of a tough night tonight for the 18 truck of Dustin Enns. He was doing so well in the heat races, and then a restart gave the opportunity for Jamie Vernos to sneak in right behind him and claim the victory. Let's see what happens here as Dustin Enns is 1 row in front of Jamie Vernos as we go into feature racing here at the Speedway. And as they're going around the track, we have an interview tonight with Dustin Enns, and we're just going to play some of the audio from that one, as Dustin Enns, of course, having a pretty good heat race tonight. Let's see what his thoughts are as he's getting ready for the season. All right, with me right now is Dustin Enns driving the number 18 Super Truck. What a great season you guys are having this year.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. It's been a little bit better than last year and got a couple wins already, so hopefully we can get a few more and keep going.
What's the secret of the success with this Super Truck this year?
Just hard work, and I got my mechanic Jeff. He's made some changes, learned a few things about it over the winter, and we're just keep trying every week.
Jeff's been a really key part of this. Of course, he went to school for this, didn't he?
Kind of. He went to school in North Carolina for the NASCAR Technical Institute, and they do a little bit specialized, a little more specialized training for asphalt stuff, and so he's learned how to reverse that for dirt because it's all backwards.
Everybody says dirt's a little backwards, but obviously it's working for you guys. He figured it out pretty good. What's the game plan for the next couple weeks?
We're gonna race here tonight, and then next week we're running to Grand Forks and then Greenbush Friday, Saturday. So we're gonna try and get a few wins on the road next week too.
That number 2 Super Truck seems to always be ahead of everybody, but you're finding the keys to the success to get around him. What do you got to do this week to beat him out?
Depends on the track. I think we got to stay clean. Last week we got into a little bit of trouble with another truck, but if we can stay out of trouble and him and I can break free and have a good race, I think it'll be close.
He's going to have a little fun with you here, but Rennie Paluco says he names his truck Ginger. Is there a name for your truck?
You know what, I don't have a name yet for it, but I think I know why he calls it Ginger, and we'll leave it at that. And he can keep that name, that's for sure.
All right, thanks so much, Dustin.
Thank you.
Dustin Enns, of course, in 3rd spot right now in this race, looking at the back end of Rennie Paluco in 2nd. Guess who's out in front of this race? Yeah, you see him again. He's driving that 2. It's Jamie Vernos. Started this race back in 5th spot. He's all the way up in the front. And Enns now is in 3rd. He's moved up 1 position. He's catching up to Rennie Paluco, who has held on to 2nd spot in this race so far. 11 laps to go. Grosky's in 4th, followed by Bill Klim, who's driving the 5K tonight. He's fallen back a few spots in this race. JB Vernos holding the fastest time on this track right now, 21.077. Great fight between the 18 and the 73P. A little further back, though, it's Zondag and the 4 of Wayne Grosky. Ryan Hamilton at the back of the pack, or he was at least. It's Kevin Groenheid that's at 7th spot. Looks like Hamilton has moved himself off the track. Oh, he's back on now. Somebody's off the track. So we've got a yellow here in this one. We're taking a break here, and once again, and if you're looking to keep in touch with the entire race night at Red River Co-op Speedway and you don't want to watch individual races, you want to hear the entire broadcast, check out mytoba.ca. It's a new website here in Manitoba, only been around for a couple months, but you can catch pretty much news, sports, entertainment, weather, you name it, you'll find it on their site. Plus, you will find the full night of racing from Red River Co-op Speedway every Friday. We put it up there for people to watch, so you go watch the entire broadcast just like you're watching live right now, and listen and watch the entire thing. And as you can see here on this Manitoba Racing Network replay, he's having problems holding on into turn 4. And we were making a joke about this. We were thinking about putting a camera right on that turn today. Good thing we didn't. He would have met the 46 truck tonight of Kevin Groenheid if he would have done that. All 8 trucks back on the track. Hamilton at the back, but at the front, driving that 2 from Dynasty Bathrooms, it's Jamie Vernos. Though with a very good race tonight, the 73P of Rennie Paluco has held on and held off Dustin Enns. Enns goes to the inside, trying to find his way around, and it looks like he will as he's going around turns 1 and 2. Can Paluco get enough grip? No, he does not, and there's Enns' opportunity to catch up on the leader a little bit. He's now in 2nd spot. Dustin Enns looking at the back end of Jamie Vernos as they go around the front stretch. 7 laps to go. Paluco now in 3rd. Followed by Bill Klim and Mark Zondag. Wayne Grosky's in 6th. And Kevin Groenheid 7th. Hamilton 8th. Dustin Enns has a way to go if he wants to catch our leader, Jamie Vernos. Take a look at the distance between 1 and 2 there, and that's our leader. The top 2 for speed in this race is 1. That's Jamie Vernos, he's in 1st place. And the guy that's racing in 3rd right now, driving the 73P, Rennie Paluco, he's on the backstretch right now, and he's doing pretty well. 21.073 for Vernos, 21.574, and now he's been beat. I should say Dustin Enns now also with a very fast time. He's 21.265. And we've got a yellow flag again, ladies and gentlemen. So looking to stay in touch with what's going on here in Manitoba, check out the MyToba app. We are back to green flag racing. Dustin ends right on the back of our leader. Man, they're close. Dustin ends, Jamie Vernos, door to door. 4 laps to go. Great racing up front. 73P still in 3rd spot. We got a truck that spun around on turn 4. And we've got another yellow flag. So if you came for the feature racing tonight and you like yellow flags, you are a happy camper. Because we've seen plenty already and we're just 2 feature races in. So we'll go to a Delaware restart. So we have 4 laps to go on the board, 6 minutes left on the clock, well, 6.5, I should say. So we've got a way to go. But not very good racing tonight in the truck class. A lot of yellow flags in this one and not many cars, so drivers having some problems out there. We have a green flag again. Bernas ends. Paluco. And Klim now is in 4th. And Bernas now with a pretty comfortable lead. But he's got 3 laps still to make up some time if Dustin Enns wants to take a shot at the number 1 spot. Oh, we got trucks everywhere on turn number 2. It's the 5 and the 4, Klim and Grosky. Taking a cue from the Midwest Modifieds, the trucks are doing the exact same thing tonight. And it looks like the 4 truck smoking a little bit, having some problems.
I'm not saying it's easy to do, I'm just saying. A head-on collision with 7 trucks on the track. Maybe you would take it at mercy on us and clean it up quickly at least.
So we'll be waiting here for a while once again. We'll take a look at this one, how it transpired.
Oh, the number 5 running again.
There's the 4 truck, and the 5 just loses control completely. Not the fault of all of the number 5, pardon me, of the number 4 at all. Wow. Head on.
You look at the time clock here, we got 4 minutes left. We actually run the risk of losing up 15 minutes.
That is not good news for that 5 truck. Also not good news if you're driving the 4 truck as well, because your night's pretty much done.
It's for sale, and I think it's on sale right now, that number 5.
So we started with 8.
Alright, so now we
Looks like that 1-5 truck, though, looks like it's still going to go tonight. So we're down to 6. He'll be at the back.
well, we must have some sort of foreign substance on the racetrack.
So this is how it breaks down. We have the 2, followed by the 18, the 73P, and it looks like the 67 will be in 4th spot. The 46
And possibly a fan if it's
will be in the next one. And right at the very back end, it's the 5K of Bill Klim.
3 laps. We've got just under 3 minutes to go.
Still under a yellow caution here at the Speedway. Time is whittling down.
Oh, I think we had our push truck and that 04 collide off the top of turn number 2. Our push truck,
Great job tonight by our camera operators here at the Manitoba Racing Network.
you know, yeah, really.
Big Clifford Simpson,
Well, we're going to tow the number
Marshall
4
Mays,
push truck. What do you think?
and Bryce Stewart doing a fantastic job bringing you all the action here.
Double duty out of that old Ford Police tow truck. So,
Many tracks do the similar thing and do a live feed, but what makes the Manitoba Racing Network different is the extra touches from the live ticker at the top of your screen, the multiple camera angles that are manned by actual people.
once
We
again,
bring you
next
the
week,
full
we'll have
package,
the
not to
90
mention
Memorial
those
Hall
wonderful
Festival
replays you've been watching here tonight.
2 days event. Oh, the
Great job by our replay operator, Jordan Mack, in the trailer tonight.
And next Friday, or next Thursday, Friday, right here, Red River Co-op Speedway, and of course, 2-day tickets, just $25. So we want you to take advantage.
My name is Ken Playtink,
Come on out next Thursday.
and I've had the opportunity of calling tonight's races, unfortunately by myself, but maybe next week we can find somebody that will be brave enough to sit down beside us.
The 04 towed into the pits now. Let's see if we can get these 6 guys to go 3 times around without incident. Cross everything you brought with you. Fingers, toes, earlobes if you've got them split off. All right, we're going to try it again. 3 to go on the Pepsi board for St. Mary's Nursery and Adventure Power Products.
3 laps to go. We are going to go green flag racing. They're already waving the green flag on turn 3, so I think they're saying, look, we're going. A Delaware restart. Our leader still is Jamie Vernos driving the 2, followed by the 18 Dustin N 73P of Rennie Paluco. Mark Zondag driving the 67. He's in 4th. Kevin Groenheid and Bill Klim round out the top 6. 2 laps to go in this race. So we are ending it here with the Super Trucks with another feature win tonight. Jamie Vernos does it again. The 18 of Dustin Inns comes in 2nd, followed by the 73 of P of Rennie Paluco in 3rd. Zondag with the 67. He finishes up in 4th spot.
Zondag and rounding out the top 5, Kevin Groenheid in the number 46. Ooh. Wow.
So this is how it shook down tonight if you were watching the racing.
That one over. All righty. Elon main event is lined up as staging. We're going to get Jamie Vernos down front for yet another.
Jamie Vernos coming down for a quick interview with Darren Palin in just a few seconds. Another big win for him tonight.
Trophy to Jamie.
Last year, it was almost a weekly occurrence. Only a few times was he knocked off the podium. Once by Tavia Dorj, twice by fellow driver George Balkin. This year's Balkin is up in a late model. He's not here tonight as Tom Balkin is driving his ride. But Vernos, once again in victory circle.
For St. Mary Nursery and Adventure
He
Power
does it
Products.
again here at Red River Co-op Speedway.
All right, Darren, it's all you.
Well, thanks very much, Pat Moody. The Dynasty Bathrooms 2 rolls into victory lane, as it has almost countless times over the past 3 or 4 seasons. Great job once again by Jamie Vernaus. His dad started this place in 1974. Jamie was a youngster here running around the racetrack, cleaning up after races, and now he is once again the winner here in the Searcy Super Truck division. Fantastic job. That truck handles so well. They work so hard on it, and the results show almost each and every week just how dominant the Dynasty Bathrooms #2 team is. As he gets out of the truck, how about it for him, ladies and gentlemen? Jamie Vernaus picks up the win in the Western Turbo and Fuel Injection Dynasty Bathrooms #2. I have Kurt Pepper from Adventure Power Products to present the trophy to Jamie Vernaus. Another great job. Man, that thing's quick.
That thing just drives like nothing. Anybody can drive it. Even you can drive it.
Can I right now?
Sure, let's go.
I got to work, but man, anybody you got to thank?
The crew, sponsors, family, fans. Thanks.
All right, how about it? Jamie Vernaus, your winner in the Searcy Super Truck feature event brought to you by Adventure Power Products and St. Mary's Nursery.
All right, thank you, Darren. We have 3 more classes tonight. Of course, the A mods are up next, followed by the late models, and then the 4 cylinders. So plenty of racing action still going on.